Hi, my name is Savia, and this is the part 2 of events in Data 360. In this video, let's understand two things. Let's understand how to create events and where can we use these events. So firstly, let's take a look at how to create a custom event. Consider the same example as the previous video that you want to track successful transactions. To know about this, you need to create an event capturing revenue and set up all the relevant properties. To do so, click on Create and enter the following details. Now, the first field says Event Name, wherein you can enter the name of the event. In this case, let's say it's Successful Transaction. The API name is nothing but the endpoint name for your event. By default, this field gets populated based on the value that you've entered in the event name field. Apart from this, you can link the properties with respect to the event. In the first field, you can enter the property that helps to identify a specific attribute to an event. For instance, let's enter product name. In this, you have data type. In software programming, data types refer to the type of value a variable has. So, product name would be in the form of characteristics. You can choose the data type as text. Along with this, you have the API name. By default, this gets populated based on the value you have entered in the property. However, you can modify it. Enter a description that defines your event. Please note that you can associate multiple properties to an event by using this create new property option. So in this case, let's add few more properties. So I'm going to add the price as another property and associate the data type as number and the delivery charges as boolean. If applicable, the data type is going to be true. If not, it's going to be false. So Boolean stands for true and false. Post configuring this, click on the create option. Once you click on create, the created custom event appears in my event sections towards the left, and clicking on this event displays the details of the same along with a custom code snippet. Now this code snippet is available for web version and for SDK as well. These code snippets contains the placeholder for the property variable which needs to be applied in the respective places. This ensures that each time the event is triggered, it captures the variable data from your website and stores them in VWO. These variables differ with the type of code, hence, you need to apply these variables correspondingly. Please note that you might require the help of your development team to incorporate the variables into the code snippet, or you can trigger these code snippets using GTM2. Now, once the custom event has been created, you cannot delete this. Therefore, it's important to exercise caution while specifying the API name for the events, as modifications cannot be made at a later stage. And by clicking on these three dots, you can choose to edit this, clone this, or archive this too. Now let's come to this next question, which is where can we use these events? These events are used for targeting visitors for your campaign, in segmentation, and in setting up metrics too. In order to know more about this, take a look at the video Events in Segmentation and Events in Matrix. Thank you for watching.